Hello friends. In previous lesson we learned about FSM role, and in this session we will try to learn Active Directory users and computers. So this is our Active Directory management console, and here you can see how we will perform basic administration with help of PowerShell. So this is AD users administrator command. So let's view with help of AD users how let's see AD users command details. So click run. Here you can see in AD users command there is a get AD users, new AD user, remove AD user, and set AD user. Now how you will view entire Active Directory users list. See, with the help of star sign, we can view all the AD users. Now, if you want to delete any Active Directory users, then we will use remove AD users. So here you can see remove AD users. So in identity section, you will type, let's say we are going to delete user 3. Okay, so user 3. Now see how this command work. Click insert. This is a command parameter. Identity is user identity. So here you can see we are using a remove AD users, and with the help of this command section you can put your value here and simply insert and view how we can fire any command. So let's put identity user 3 here. You can directly run, this will also work. Here you can see it's asking, are you sure you want to perform this action? Target, here target means it's user OU path, like user location is IT OU. So we will click as to all. Now user 3 is deleted. Here you can see user 3 is deleted. Now if user account is locked, then with help of uh, unlock command you can unlock user, like let's say my test 5 user account is locked. So how we will unlock test 5 user? Click run. Okay, here we missed uh, AD parameter. Let's try it. See, now test 5 account is unlocked. Disable AD account. Now suppose that I want to disable a test 5 user. So put test 5. test 5. Now see test 5 is disabled. Now enable active. Now we are going to enable a test 5 ID. See, we have successfully enabled a test 5 user with help of PowerShell. And suppose that if you want to reset test 5 user password, then see here I am using set AD account password. Identity is test 5. Which action we are going to perform? A reset. In reset, what action we are going to perform? A new password. If you will only use a reset parameter, then you have to define a old password. After that, you will define a new password. In our case, we are going to define a new password. So I am using a new password parameter. Here, convert to secure string. It's like encryption, and here has a plain text force. So hit enter. Here you can see we have successfully reset a test 5 user password. So it's a basic task of user administration, and with help of this command help section, you can find out your maximum commands and parameters like unlock AD account. Here you can see it's asking for a identity. Then you will type identity user user 3 and click insert. Here you can see what action it's going to perform. Same for remove AD users. Here I am typing remove AD users. See, it's asking a user identity, and here if you will select this one, then it will not prompt you for a confirmation window. See, here you can see it's adding a confirmation window, means it will not throw any pop-up for deletion. Now uh, we will also see how we can enable a recycle bin. See here Active Directory Administrative Centers. Under Active Directory Admin Center, here you can see there is a option enable recycle bin. And please remember, if you will enable Active Directory recycle bin, then it's not reversible. Means after enabling, you cannot disable Active Directory recycle bin. So let's start. Click enable. Yeah. Okay, I think we are having some replication issue, and due to that reason, I am not able to enable recycle bin password. Let me fix recycle bin. I am not able to enable recycle bin. Let me fix this issue. After that, we will enable Active Directory recycle bin. Now let's see. We have our replication has been done, and let's try to enable. Okay. See, now we have enabled Active Directory recycle bin. See, it's done. Okay, now see, this is your recycle bin folder, and we will try to delete one user object. We will delete one user object and try to restore from Active Directory Administrative Center. So let's go here. We will delete user 4. Yeah, we have deleted. See, user 4 is deleted from Active Directory, and now it's in recycle bin. And from recycle bin we can restore this user object. Here when we will click on restore, then it will restore in original OU, like from where we were deleted this user. And when we will click on restore to, means it allow us to restore it in a different OU. So just simple click on restore. See, we have successfully recovered this deleted item from recycle bin. Now uh, we will try to perform a bulk user operation, like you have received a near around 40 to 50 ID creation request, and suppose that if you will try to create those 50 IDs manually, then it will take near around 40 to 45 minutes. So we will try to save our time in performing this action. So here you can see, let me switch it full screen. So in this PowerShell script, we are saving our time. So see here, import module Active Directory means we are importing Active Directory module in this PowerShell. Now here add users is a variable, and from where we are trying to import add users. See here, import CSV, and this is our CSV path where we have uh, our all new users ID details. And here delimiter means we are segregating parameters. So here you can see we are using a semicolon. UPN. Yeah, UPN is user principal name, and here it's my domain name. Now for each users in add user. Now this is a parameter which we have in our CSV file, and after this here you can see get add user same account name is equal to username. Now if user does not exist, give a warning. Write a warning: user account with username is already existing in Active Directory. Means suppose that you are trying to create a user one, and if user one is already exist in your Active Directory, then this PowerShell script will throw a warning message: this user one is already in your Active Directory database. Else, if user one is not exist, then it will perform a new add user command. And in new add user command, see what parameter we have. We have already defined these parameters here. So you can see, and here Account password connect to secure string. Password is password parameter in our CSV file. And here change password at logon true. Means when user will try to log on computer, then Windows will ask please say define a new password. Now right host the user account is created, and see this is our CSV file, and you can see what parameter we have. Our first name, initials, last name, username, and email ID. If we have street address, city, zip code, state, country, department, password. We have also defining a password parameter here. Now telephone number. This is your telephone number. Now job title. This is our job title. And company. This is a company name. And OU. OU is object location path. So we are going to create these users in our ITOU. Okay. And see first name is test1, initial is T1, last name is user, and username is this one test1 dot user, and email is here I am defining a email parameters, and street address here I am defining a street address. Okay. Okay, let's go. So these are parameters, and now I am firing this is basic differences is suppose that if you want to fire a single string, a single command, then simply you will click on front of any command and run. Means it's a run selection window, and here run means it will run your entire script. So let's go and run. Okay, see now we have created our all the users. Here you can see. Now go to Active Directory. We have created all the users in ADOU. Refresh. Here you can see our all users has been created, and here you can see it's our email parameter, telephone number, display name, initials, first name, last name. So we have created everything. Okay, in address section, see here address section, city, zip postal code, country, organization is system, IT, company name, and this is our Active Directory administrative centers, and here we enabled our recycle bin, and we can also perform administrative task from here. Let's try to find out user. Okay, sorry, user one. Yeah, this is our OU, users OU. Nothing is here. Cancel. Where is IT? Yeah, here you can see I am able to view my all the users. Actually, in replication, it's taking time. Yeah, see. Now here you can see reset password, add groups, disable, delete, move. properties. So we can perform all the administrative things. Even we can create a new user from here. Here you can see a new organization unit, group, users, computers. So in this video we learned Active Directory administration, and in our upcoming video we will try to learn about group policy. Okay, thanks friend.